Let's make a Finnish berry pie, Marjapiirakka. I got this recipe from a friend many years ago. Let's start with buttering the pan and then adding some breadcrumbs. First we'll need about 1/2 a cup of sugar and then we'll add 2/3 of a cup of butter and 1 egg. Looking nice already. And then we'll mix flour and the baking powder and just adding it a little bit by bit to the dough. You can add this dough to the fridge for a while to cool down. It's easier to spread then, but I did not wait. So it's a bit difficult sometimes because of the amount of butter in it, but you can add some flour and pat it with that. This actually was not a good idea to lift it up on the edges. It might be then more vulnerable to browning. Let's add 1 cup of berries and especially blueberries. Now might need some cornstarch. Let's make then the filling. Egg, sugar and vanilla sugar. And you can use yogurt. This time I used creme fraiche because I don't have any of the kermaviili, which is the Finnish go-to product to use in this kind of a pie. And it would be a little bit lighter option than creme fraiche, but creme fraiche works well as well. Doesn't this look yummy?